So we're going to the airport again. What? Singapore A380! Woo! Singapore A380 parked right there, and another one over there. United Delta. This looks like an awesome day. United FedEx. Yo! Guys, we got a good day. Sorry, the camera was low, Brad. Oh, helicopter. Hey. American. Yo, look at that! Oh. Yo! China Airlines landing. Alan, no, I missed it. Air Canada, yes, Air Canada. Canada. Bro, Air Callan just landed and I missed it again. Ah, yes, Canada. It's Air India, old livery. Look at that. This is so cool. I'm pretty sure it's Air India. Surprise Airlines. It is Thai. China Airlines is finally here. They finally arrived. I love that tail. Whoa. Now I need my Air Callan. Give me my Air Callan. Aunties, bye. Sai is here. I'm trying not to waste time. Vamos, vamos. Little Vamos makes a return. Yes. Guys. Oh, wait. It's a Singapore. Wait, there's 380s from Singapore. This is the first one. There's a second one over there. And there's a third one over there. What a coincidence. Wait, is that my Air Callan? It is! There's 3 Singapore A380. My boy, Air Callan has finally made a return. He was last here when we went to IKEA. Let's see. Look, Air Callan. Nice. Look, it's another flower. Bro, I've never seen Air Callan in a while. The video is almost over. Don't worry, I'm still gonna make another part. This is like the best day ever. Cathay Pacific makes another return. Oh, very loud, boy. No, there is no chance. 3 Singapore A380s in a day. But